so today we're going to be making some wheatgrass wellness shots. Now these were suggested to me by someone else I know, so I thought I'd give them a shot. You get done with cutting up your pineapple, don't throw away the skins. You can definitely toss those in some boiling water and make some nice pineapple tea. Now with the ginger, I like to just cut up the butt and then just use a spoon to take all the skin off. I've been told you don't need to do this, so I guess it's just kind of up to you if you want to do that or not. So this is the juicer I've been using for a while. This is the Wheatgrass Auto 10. Now I really like this juicer because it does have the hopper with a nice capacity, so you can toss everything in there and you don't kind of have to really sit there and baby the machine. But yeah, I will have a code down below, so if you use that link and code HEFE, you can save 10% on this juicer, so that'll save you a good bit of money. So a few reasons why I love the Wheatgrass Auto 10 juicer is its large capacity. So it actually has the world's largest capacity hopper with 100 ounces. You're not going to find that anywhere else. It's versatile, so you're able to juice fruits, vegetables, leafy greens, grasses, herbs, make your own nut milk, and more. It also comes with smoothie and sorbet attachments, so you can go that route. It's made of high quality materials. This is a premium juicer, so for the price point, you're getting high quality materials. It comes shipped with everything you need to clean and maintain it, and it has a long warranty. So they back it with a 10 to 15 year warranty. So if you have any issues, I doubt you will, but in the event you do, it's under warranty. You will easily get replacement parts if needed, but I don't see that happening. So this is why I rock with Wheatgrass, and I think you should too.